You can schedule your own open house and use it to attract potential buyers. It's as easy as pushing a button, specifically this button. But you want to schedule it at least 3 days in advance to give buyers enough time to plan. Evenings and weekends are the best. And once you press this button, the open house will publish immediately on Homie.com and in 24 hours on all the other sites.
Getting listed across all those websites is great, but you can give your open house a little extra publicity with a handful of balloons and sharing your open house on social media, and you can post places that most agents don't, like Nextdoor, Instagram, and even Snapchat.
All the kids are doing it.
You're the host at your open house, so bake some cookies and hang out in the front room. Answer questions, but let people explore.
If any non-Homie agents come through and ask for your contact info, remind them you're already seeing someone and are represented by Homie.